This is the 1977 Honda CB750. I haven't ridden it in about 2 days, so I'm going to do a cold start just so you guys can see it runs. The weather's pretty warm, it's about 70, so hopefully it'll start up okay. On real cold days it needs a lot of choke and takes a little while to warm up, but I've heard that's kind of par for the course for this thing. But on a warm day I'll do a choke and let it run for about 5 minutes, and then it rides great. So I will give this a go here. I'm gonna do a little rotatey. I'll do a walk around so you can see. The tank was repainted at some point by a previous owner. I put this seat on. The seat it came with when I got it was a weird two-person like Harley seat, but this one is an OEM Honda seat. I backdated the turn signals to the early CB style, and then I put on this Lucas tail light that I think looks pretty, just fits the look of the bike. Doesn't look too custom, but it also has kind of an old school flavor to it. Pipes are the factory quad pipes, but someone drilled them, but they don't sound bad. It does have these funky remote reservoir looking shocks. If I was the next owner, I would definitely replace those. The bushings and stuff are kind of fried, and it just feels a little too over shocked. I haven't tried to tweak it at all though. I did put the bar end mirrors on it, and these are European bars that I put on it as well. Again, I backdated the turn signals on the front to those early CB750 style signals. They flash fast. I think maybe the resistors are not matched to whatever. I'm not an electrician, but okay. Now that being said, I'll go ahead and get this thing fired up for you. It's got new tires. I think they're Avons with about 100 miles on them, and a new front brake caliper and pad. Timing was recently adjusted by a local shop. They also did chain tension and just kind of looked it over. So here we go. So I'll just set it up behind it. Hopefully it's not too funky here. See if that lines up. Is working. Got a little choke on it still while it warms up.